An overview of all designs. Please select the number of your favorite design and let us know at the end of the video. Design number 1. Surround yourself with the beauty and symbolism of this design, a majestic option that captures the essence of tradition and beauty. Number 2. This beautiful option invites you to explore the beauty and attractiveness of henna. It will embrace you with uniqueness and shine brightly in every function of your life. Number 3. This is a cultural and traditional henna design. An option that honors the heritage in celebrating functions in our lives. It enriches your presence. Number 4. This design could be a reflection of your loveliness and looks. It empowers you to express your individuality and confidence with elegance. Number 5. This could be your most aesthetic design, an outstanding choice for cuties and dolls. It will enrich your natural beauty with its patterns and symbols. Number 6. This option is to honor your exceptional uniqueness and celebrate your loveliness, leaving a lasting impression wherever you go at functions and parties. Number 7. This mehndi design is a testament to your refined taste and appreciation for the finer things in life, enhancing your allure with its timeless elegance. Number 8. Hey there! Check out this amazing henna design that exudes elegance and grace. It's a perfect choice to adorn yourself and feel beautiful. Number 9. I just had to share with you this incredible henna design that's sure to make you feel absolutely beautiful. It's so elegant and graceful. Design number 10. I absolutely love this stylish piece. It's the perfect addition to any outfit. It's actually my personal favorite, and I think you'll adore it too. Thank you for watching. Now, let others know your favorite mehndi design and comment with your favorite number. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for the weekly design updates. Let us learn what type of designs you require in the next video.